Okay, here's another one that builds upon the one previous. So this will be an even better boogie. 2 plucks on the A string, open. Then fingers 2 and 3 on frets 3 and 4. 2 plucks on the D string, 2nd fret, 1st finger. Then 1 pluck on the 4th fret, 3rd finger, D string. Then back to the 2nd fret, 1st finger. Then you're going to go to your pinky, pluck it twice on the 5th fret of the D string. Back to the 4th fret, 3rd finger. Back to the 2nd fret, 1st finger. If you think this is easy, it's not. Then back to the 3rd finger, 4th fret. Back to the 2nd fret, 1st finger. And then to fingers 2 and 3 on frets 3 and 4 of the A string. When you put it all together, you have